is up, everyone? What is up? Thanks again for tuning in. I know it's been a while since we last posted some videos, but the weather has been a little crappy out. Kept raining and whatnot. After work it would rain, and I had a long stretch of work, which is now over. So I'm back to regular hours again. But yeah, so anyways, over the time that it rained, jumped onto Amazon, bought a couple stuff. We're gonna show you what we ended up buying. We're still waiting for some things to come in. Nothing major that's gonna improve the vehicle, the way she performs, more along just the lines of cosmetics, aesthetics and whatnot. So yeah, keep watching, we'll show you. What else did we do? Oh, Tony over the weekend was able to put his 22-inch rims on the FX35, so we got some time-lapse videos of that happening. I think on the last video you guys were able to see JR put his lip on the 370. Yeah, so we got some things that we're going to be able to do today. So keep watching again, and thanks again for tuning in. Peace.
How's work today? Busy?
Seems clean.
Oh, it's easy, bro. We're working out like my bird.
What's up, JR?
It's all union and shit. Oh, is it? Yeah, so it's fucking. So no one works hard, right? What's going on?
Shout out to Rukon. If y'all need some concrete work done, give Rukon a shout. Yep, had some spills on the driveway over time.
Oh yeah, this is the one.
What's that from?
You gotta drive up on this square.
Fuck off. I think today we're gonna take these stickers off too. That's gotta be that's gotta go.
You're getting vlogging all your shit, eh?
Old school beads for the seat, just to cover up the little tear on the driver's side.
I'm like so uncomfortable.
Nardi.
Okay, it's just for me. Why you camera shy or what? It's a little bit. So many cakes.
Here's Jared's front lip. Looks sick. Hella mosquitoes out right now. Tons.
Every day. Do you get OT and shit? I want to. I just stay at until the crew works. They work till like 6, 7, so that I can stay. So you just stand there then? Yeah. So stand there. I was like in my boss's car and we were there for like 2 hours just chilling.
So we also haven't checked the mail in a while, so hopefully we got some goodies. Let's take a peek. Oh, there's some keys in there. 1 key and 2 keys. Let's see what's going on. 1 and 2. All right, this one says 1B. So I think this one's a pretty big one. Oh, looks like there's some shit there. Yes, something came in. And what does this one say? 1A. Let's check out 1A. Motherfucker. Get in there. Nope. Just one other item came in. Well, let's take this back home and we'll do a little unboxing. All right, so I pre-poured this box open. So here we go. What do we got? Oh, it's a ball. So this is my new shift knob that we're gonna go ahead and put in the Supra. Let's see what it's gonna look like. Go ahead and open up this box. There's this freaking bag. Ziploc. Here it is. Boom. That's right, boys and girls. I got the 7-star Dragon Ball, which is gonna go right there. Sick. So I'm rocking the 7, and we got JR. JR's rocking the 4-star. So Dragon Ball Z. What's up?
Oh, you fix your seat too.
Yeah, I know. I showed him. He definitely fixed the seat temporarily. One with that vintage 80s.
Vintage Oriental seat
Vintage Asian style seat cover.
It's fucking hilarious.
Shit's gay. Stoked to have this. So here's a couple videos of Tony putting those 22 shoes on the FX35. Go check it out.
Watch murky water keep pouring in. Cause my current calls I left forward in. If my nigga chin, they rather walk within. Cause my bad attitude on Vicodins. I got 5% of my mind left. Cause the past few nights I got no rest. Stuck with port expeditions and Tauruses. And the hopes I be filling up banks. Story of Hillary, what are you telling me? I could get Xanax if I take up therapy. Every memory vibrate. Get the fuck out my face, I could never engage. Just saying this combo vibe in my dog. Ay, all the stressful nights on my own. Ay, all the pills I shoved down my throat. Let alone where I'm drawn now, I'm too far gone. Nah, it's gonna be okay. It's gonna be okay. Yeah, I'm gonna be, oh, watch me be. Yeah, I'm gonna be okay. And bet that it's DOA. Hey, the plug don't run my way. When you raised in a 6-1 niggas teach you be a 7-day the voodoo they play. Nah, I don't want no more. Since I can't feel my face, but these shades of me covered with this spot on my eyes. Baby, that shit is just a typical night in the life of an average habit drug abuser. Well, I don't wanna see another Quaalude. I would never drug you, tend to keep inside you. Why you? So love how she impressed me. I nah, tell her shut up, baby, don't press me. Hope my will is strong enough, it won't let me. Yeah. Wind up on the floor like Elvis Presley. Yeah, she pill pop, I pop it, I'm plotting. I'm moving to Wisconsin just to re up on some Mexicans. Got hoes with a nose full of white cons. Spot that bullshit from a distance like the Dennis Rodman. You ain't get it, I ain't with it, girl, skip the nonsense. Why you getting higher than an ass? And how you tryna overdose like you bad? Ski, I seem to be the question that they ask me a lot. Give me all that you got, but you're 2 cents. Show the she back, so am I, where have you been? Don't expect the hang, let's tighten up the loose ends. Who's saying both from around me, nigga? I'm still whipping these narcotics till it make me richer. And my mama been tripping, tryna make me reconsider my decision. But as long as I'm living, throw the IP rolling. You can rate us like an old land. You won't find what we console, man. But a deuce of dangerous poor and so my eyes are barely open. Tell her never no more. Will I see less and more? Hating bitch that with your hey. Yeah, painkiller don't fail me. No, painkiller don't fail me. No, it's permanent.
Now it's permanent.
That was permanent.
What's up? I just showed up.
What's up?
I just showed up.
Just showed up. What happened to you? You upset?
No, I'm tired.
You're tired? Why are you tired, dog?
Cause you're Chris, I'm tired.
Say what's up. Had some pizza. Oh, let's get that out of the camera.
What's up? Hello?
Let's go check on what's going on over here.
What happened to you?
What's up, my Mai? Makeup by Myra. What's up? Yeah. You complained I didn't give you a shout out last time.
Yeah, I want my shout out.
Throw him out. Throw him up, my Mai. Who's this guy?
King Kujo.
Kuj.
He's busy.
Yeah. Kuj, let me see. What's this? Yeah, you a big boy. What's this one? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Get in there. Oh. Finished. Big boy. You just about done there, son?
Why are you sleeping? You wake up early again? called you many times. I texted you. Get away from me.
Just putting,
I'm trying to tuck it into the loom.
trying to tuck it into the loom. Hi.
But I'm gonna have to cut that open.
Make our own loom or what?
No, it's already there.
Yeah, but for this section right
This,
there.
yeah, this section is just put a
Right,
little
might as well
bit.
put some loom. Oh, someone just pulled up. Let's say what's up to who pulled up. What's up?
What's up?
I heard you're upset.
Huh?
Just kidding.
Huh? Oh, my keys.
Yeah, where's the keys?
Huh? She just left it there. I should have. I forgot about it. Just me and Jeff were. You guys were there? Yeah.
Oh, there it is.
there
What
you
is
go.
that? What is that? What is that there?
BastosGarage. You already told me.
Oh, what's that? What's that?
Clear, bro.
Hit us up if you want one. We got a lot. All right, we're gonna end this. We'll check back in once it's a little darker out and we can turn it on. 1, 2, 3, go! So we are all done for today. We wired the TRD light there to the daytime running lights, spliced it all together, buttoned it all up, so we are done. The next video will be us turning it on at night, so that way we can go ahead and see it. And yeah, thanks again for watching. Definitely appreciate it, and stay tuned for more videos. Peace, take care, have fun, do what you want to do. We'll see you later.